Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used this Moonstone palette from Profusion Cosmetics. It's enormous and my lights are going to reflect off of it, so I'm sorry about that. But this thing is so stinking cool. Let me see if I can open it. This is what the inside is looking like. If I lift it up, my lights are going to reflect off of it, so I'm just going to leave it down like this. But I focused on this row right here, like these blues. I really like the way that this turned out. I'm super excited that I own this palette because this is one of the biggest Profusion palettes I have seen. I think the other one was like a rainbow looking palette. I don't remember the name of it, but yeah, it's a 42 eyeshadow pan palette. I got it at Walmart the other day. I think it was like $18, so not crazy bad for how big that palette is. And yeah, this is what I did. I think it looks really pretty. So on my lips, I am wearing some NYX products. It's the lip liner in the shade Natural, and then the butter gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. So yeah, these are what these are looking like. This feels really nice on my lips, so I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. Do you think you're gonna try and pick up this palette? I did, again, I found it at Walmart and it was pretty affordable. It is so big. I'm so excited to do some more looks with it, but I'm personally happy that I picked up the palette. I do have a couple palettes coming from ColourPop that I want to get added to my palette collection video before I get it posted. So I'm super excited about that. Whenever ColourPop did their release for this year's Hocus Pocus palette, they restocked last year's palette. So I definitely picked up last year's palette because I was a lot more drawn to it than this year's Hocus Pocus palette. So it'll be here eventually. And then I also got the spider stamp that came in this year's collection with the Hocus Pocus palette. So it's like a little like spider eyeliner stamp. I'm super excited to get that. Before I just keep like rambling on, I'm gonna go ahead and just end this here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't, so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. I do apologize about the past couple days. It got really hectic with the photo shoots I was doing, so I'll see if I can insert a couple pictures real quick of how those turned out. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.